Welcome to another exciting project. We're going to create a new document here, and that new document is going to be called OnShape, guys. Project 3, guys. And I'm going to call mine V3 because I've been doing it 3 times. You don't need to call yours V anything. Okay, just OnShape Project Dice. Project 3. Okay, so here we're in the top. We're going to start a sketch. I'm going to select the sketch plane. We click on it. Then we're going to choose the rectangle tool, hover over the origin, click, drag, click. We're going to turn this into a 2-inch cube. That means 2 by 2 by 2. Dimensions, it didn't seem to like that, so I'm going to try this again to make the body there. Looks like it snapped, but I can't see it. Okay, something's going on here that I'm going to start a new sketch. I was having some issues earlier selecting the top. Now I'm going to go to the rectangle tool. Yeah, the rectangle tool. It is not allowing me to select the rectangle tool. So I think we're experiencing some issues. Let me try to refresh the browser. I seem to have lost my place. So we've refreshed the browser. Maybe I had too many browser windows open. So let's go back to the top. Let's go to a sketch, select the top plane. We're going to select rectangle tool. It looks like it liked that now. Click, got it. I think it was I just had too many browser windows open. We're going to create a 2-inch by 2-inch. You'll recognize this from the first one that we did. Okay, we're going to go ahead and green check that and go ahead and pre-select, extrude, change this to 2 inches, green check. So now we have a 2-inch cube. Okay, this is where we start applying our text. So I'm going to jump over to the sketch, then click the face, then click the letter for text, make my little box. I have my box here, so I'm going to say the number 1. You can do whatever you want for all the faces. Now that that is done, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, select the 1, and we're going to do something new this time, and this is called remove, 0.2. Okay, green check. So now you can see that we've put a number 1 on this, and we can start to manipulate the shape. This is the next one, and it looks like the right. So on the right, we're going to go ahead and start a new sketch, and this becomes repetitious, where we just go over and over and over until all 6 faces are populated. So I'm going to do one more face, and then I'm going to do all of the external edges of it. So here, we're going to go ahead and start a sketch. We've started the sketch, and we're going to go to the text, design the text bounding box. This is the number 2, green check. We look at that, that's looking good. Zoom in, pre-select the 2, That's what you need to make this next step successful, where you do the removal. The removal is 0.2, green check to lock it in. Now, I'm going to rotate this a little bit so you can see that there are two faces here, or excuse me, three faces. So we're going to say a new command, but we're going to pre-select first. So pre-select, pre-select, pre-select these edges. So it's just the edges. Pre-select, 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 pre-select. So now that we've pre-selected all the faces, we're going to use this new tool called fillet. Fillet is an external radius that makes things nice and round. So we're going to hit that, and we're going to change here to 0.2, green check to lock it in. And you can see that it's smoothed out most of the edges. And so from here, I'm going to pre-select the last three. 1, 2, 3. I'm selecting those three. Then I'm hitting fillet again. Just green check. It already remembers what we were doing. And so when you turn in this assignment, you're going to turn in two pictures. One of this face, and then we're going to rotate it, and you're going to give me the other three faces also. That's how I know that you populated either a letter, number, or symbol on every one of the 6 faces. Okay, so just turn in two pictures for me of the opposite sides of this cube for credit, and that's it.